Is it possible to break a long line to multiple lines in Python? Just like C, you can break a long line into multiple short lines. But in Python, if I do this, there will be an indent error. Is it possible?
From Pep8, Style Guide for Python Code. The preferred way of wrapping long lines is by using Python's implied line continuation inside parentheses, brackets, and braces. If necessary, you can add an extra pair of parentheses around an expression, but sometimes using a backslash looks better. Make sure to indent the continued line appropriately. Example of implicit line continuation. On the topic of line breaks around a binary operator, it goes on to say, for decades the recommended style was to break after binary operators. But this can hurt readability in two ways. The operators tend to get scattered across different columns on the screen, and each operator is moved away from its operand and onto the previous line. In Python code, it is permissible to break before or after a binary operator, as long as the convention is consistent locally. For new code Nuth style, line breaks before the operator is suggested. Example of explicit line continuation.
It works in Python too.
There is more than one way to do it. 1. A long statement. 2. Using parentheses. 3. Using backslash again. Quoting Pep8. The preferred way of wrapping long lines is by using Python's implied line continuation inside parentheses, brackets, and braces. If necessary, you can add an extra pair of parentheses around an expression, but sometimes using a backslash looks better. Make sure to indent the continued line appropriately. The preferred place to break around a binary operator is after the operator, not before it.
If you want to assign a long string to variable, you can do it as below. Do not add any comma, or you will get a tuple which contains many strings.
It was spotted out. Pistons are lying inside.